Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. As part of Playwright tutorial, today I'll talk about Playwright Trace Viewer. Then there is the first question, what is Playwright Trace Viewer? Basically, Playwright Trace Viewer is a debugging tool that lets you step through the action of Playwright test. It captures the detailed history of your test run, including screenshot at each step, network request and responses, DOM snapshot, console logs. It is very helpful after running your test. So verify your test result. Let's say you are logging in any application, you are clicking login button, it will capture before and after the screenshot and all other thing clearly so that it has a solid proof of your test as a screenshot. And also if there is any mistake, if there is any error, it will capture that error, so it will be easier to fix your code and rerun again, get a test passed. So as usual, we'll use Eclipse IDE as we are doing Playwright with Java. Those who are new in Eclipse IDE as well as Playwright with Java, how to set up in Eclipse for Playwright Java, I have a separate video for that in my channel. You can watch from there. This script created with my previous video, so we are using the same script because within that we will do our trace viewer. That's why we are not creating as a new script. So this is started from here, test is started from here, and it is finished in over here. So our trace viewer code, we need to write a start here, thereafter we will stop over here. So basically first thing we need to write our tracing start and stop. So we'll starting the tracing option over here. So basically context dot tracing dot start. Then we need to do new tracing dot start option. Then we have multiple option over here. So basically we need to do over here. So let's say dot set screenshot. Basically we need to do the true. We need to do the screenshot. Thereafter also dot set snapshot. Yes, all are true. Then also we need to do another one dot set dot sources. It is also true. This means our tracing is started over here and it is taking screenshot, snapshot and also sources. Then we need to stop our tracing over here after the test. So same thing, context dot tracing dot stop. Then we need to write our code over here for stopping purpose. New tracing dot stop option. So once it is stopping, then we need to save that in our some file as a zip file. So where we will save that, we need to provide over here dot set path, then path dot get, where we need to basically save, we need to provide the location over here. As we will save our tracing in the same location, then only we need to provide our file name. Let's say trace.zip in a zip file. If you want to place your zip file in different location, then you need to provide the location over here. So here under our project, there is no tracing zip file. After run, it will create a zip file with all other tracing. So now let's save this test and right click, run as Java application. Now it is running. It will take a little bit time for running. Let's wait for a little bit. It is running, browser open, and it is navigated source demo. It has login. Now it will wait a little bit, then thereafter it is logout button clicked and it is done. So that means our test is done. Now let's say here we need to refresh our project. Thereafter we will be able to see the trace zip file over here. So right click in the test, refresh, you see trace.zip over here. So now in order to trace viewer open, right click in the project level, then show local terminal over here. So how to open your trace viewer? So in order to open trace viewer, you need to take a look in the Playwright Dev website and their documentation. Here is the Playwright.dev website and here is the trace viewer. Opening trace viewer, you need to copy this line of code from here and go to the Eclipse and right click, paste it over here. So it's a show trace.zip. If your trace.zip file is different name, then you need to update your name over here. As our trace.zip file, it is same, so we don't need to do anything. Then hit enter from keyboard, it will run and open the trace viewer. It is running. Basically now trace viewer will open. You see trace viewer opened over here. So let me maximize that thing. You see all the application, all the screenshot, whatever we perform during our test, everything created over here. You see user ID, enter, then password enter, login. Thereafter it waited little bit. Thereafter it goes for logout. So all the thing it is created. Let's go for this thing. It is clicking login button. You see the red mark circle over here, login button. Before login, clicking login button, what it does? If you go to the before action, you see it is entered the password. Then what is the after action? After action, it goes to the application because login successful, it opened the application. Thereafter, if you go to the next position, next action, so it is in the application, it clicked for the logout. Did not click, but it opened the logout option. So what is the before action? You see, it is in the application where it will click over here. Then action, it is clicking in this position, in this option, thereafter logout button over here. In the all the whatever action you did, it has captured before and after. It is very useful for any application testing. If there is any error and what is doing, what is after, what is before, you can verify everything over here. And also network request, console, and all other thing, log, everything is captured. So it is way helpful for debugging any test, or after test run, you can verify your test result using Trace Viewer. So that's all for today's tutorial. I believe this video will be very helpful for those who are using Playwright Trace Viewer. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.